What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over AMP, guys. I always try to remind you guys to be very cautious if you're trading AMP, just due to the fact that it's very volatile and it doesn't necessarily move with Bitcoin. As you notice, Bitcoin had pumped and AMP didn't see much movement here. We're seeing some low volume. So currently we're sitting at 0.060. We're down about 2.4% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 2.54 billion. And then 24-hour volume is only 38.99 million. When we were pumping a little bit here, it was up around 50, 60, 70 million. I think even more than that. So you would need to see that increase in volume here. So I've drawn out this descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern, guys. It's a bullish reversal pattern. So if you do see us start to break out to the upside, your price target from this wedge is up here, or a descending broadening channel at a 0.082. Now the level that we can't afford to lose is down here at 0.053, which is the golden ratio, because if we lose that level of support, we're reversing the trend, and that's when you see continuation to the downside. You can see we are under the EMAs here on the 4-hour. So you would need a strong bounce off about 0.053. Now 0.053 is an extremely strong level of support. As you can see here on the daily, look at all the support in this area, support right here, and a lot of support in this area as well. So that's a massive level. As you can see with AMP, and I mentioned that in my last AMP video, it just pumps hard, pump, steep correction, pump, like vicious pump, steep correction. And now we've had a bit of a smaller pump here, and we're having our correction. So I would not be surprised if we came down to 0.053. If we do lose that level of support, then we have this level at 0.049, and down here right around 0.044. I'll drop it in here because you can see how AMP just moves in these vicious waveforms. So that's why I'm saying if you're trading it, be very cautious, because it just moves super quickly. So once we find a strong level of support, you can expect volume to step up, and you see that pump once again, where you just see a vicious pump and you see a steep correction. And it looks like that's how AMP's gonna move along this journey here. So it's just something I wanted to make you guys aware of. Just take out all these squiggly lines here. So do keep an eye on 0.0053. You need to bounce off that level, or otherwise you're gonna see a bit of a reversal in the trend, where you come down to the 0.786. at 0.046, and you can come all the way back down to where you started at 0.037. Sometimes these bullish reversal patterns, they do break to the downside. There's a higher probability of breaking to the upside, so do keep an eye on this level of resistance. What you want to see is we either bounce right here off the 0.5, we break out, or we bounce off the golden ratio and we continue the uptrend. Otherwise you're reversing the trend, as I've been saying. So just a little quick update here for AMP. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we are seeing a bit of a bump here, which is surprising to me. Honestly, I thought we would just come straight down to about 42K, but we're seeing a nice green juicy candle. But we are overextended for Bitcoin on the daily. As you can see, we've had a bearish divergence on the daily chart, where we've created a high and created a higher high, lower high on the RSI. So we do see some sell off here, and this bearish divergence comes to fruition, we could see a bit of a steeper correction. So do keep an eye on that. If we come up and we just break 42K, it would be absolutely unbelievable, but we're pumping too hard. We need to see some correction. We need to come back to the EMAs on the daily chart for Bitcoin. So that's it for AMP, guys. I'll give you guys some future price targets based off the Fibonacci here, from our swing high down to our swing low. So when you see AMP come up and break this high, your next price targets are up here at 0.166. My apologies, guys, I have a dyslexia. And the 1.618 at 24 cents, guys. And AMP will make it there easily on this bull run, and probably much more in my opinion here. But that's a juicy gain of about 300% for AMP. All right, guys, so just some future price targets in the short term. Well, over the next month or 2 months, or maybe 3 weeks. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I was going to do a big shout out to the Discord, but I'm going to actually save it for my Polygon video. So if you want to see a big deep dive into the Discord, stick around for my Polygon video today. Follow me on social, check out Bybit. Make sure to sign up to $1,600 in sign up bonuses till August 18th. Follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.